Hey everybody, my name is Kendra Eris and I'm going to show you today how to perfect your foundation with LimeLife by Alcone's Blenderful. So I'm going to be using my LimeLife foundation and my Blenderful sponge. I have wet it down completely, wrung it out, and then I took a towel, a hand towel, and I went over top of it again so all the moisture's out. I'm going to twist this into my foundation. What I like to do is just go and just tap it all over the face. When I have things that really need covered, or like I feel like my pores are really large, I like to press and roll. What I love about this sponge is that it is large, can get in all the nooks and crannies, and can quickly cover your entire face. Isn't that crazy? All right, I'm gonna quickly do the other side, and then I'm gonna show you how to set this foundation using the same sponge. Now that the foundation's on, I like to remember to check around your nose. We tend to have larger pores on our nose, so you may have to make sure that you've got those all nice and covered. And also through here, my pores get really large. All right, so now that that's covered, I'm gonna use the same sponge, and I'm just gonna use the other side of it, and I'm using my Perfect Pressed powder. You can use your white powder or colored powder. LimeLife has both. And so you're gonna do the same thing. You're going to twist it in there, and it's really important with pressed powder that you press into the skin. If you're using a damp sponge, you cannot rub. If you rub, you're just going to take your makeup completely off. This takes a little bit more time, but the final result, especially if you have large pores, like through here, through your nose, is really, really beautiful. So that is how to use your LimeLife Blenderful Sponge. I do recommend you pick up a sponge and brush cleaner if you're gonna get your hands on one of these, because you should clean it often. I clean them every time I use them, almost every time before I use it, but it really makes a big difference. So thanks for watching. See you soon.